What are we doing tonight?
Build a computer.
We're going to build a computer. Who are we building a computer for?
Mr. John.
Mr. John. That's right. He wants to see you build it.
With you.
This is the only computer I've ever built where I wasn't given a budget, no compromise, just build it right. A really good friend of mine asked me to build a computer, didn't give me a budget. I still kept a budget constraint because I wanted to do things right and build a great computer that fit his needs, not just throw money at it. You gonna help me or am I gonna help you?
Help me.
I'm gonna help you?
Yeah.
That's right, because Aaron's building it. He is the biggest supporter of me, Aaron, and the channel. So when he asked me to build him a computer, or he asked Aaron to build him a computer, I was super excited. We're using the Aorus X870E from Gigabyte.
For you.
Okay, you gonna hold it up for me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is a great looking motherboard and a really good motherboard, Aaron. This is better than what Daddy has. Okay, can you open it up? Look, open it right here. There you go. Da 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 da.
Computer man.
Look at how gorgeous that is. If that's not a gorgeous motherboard.
You can put it on my head.
Woo. Do you want to show them what this box is?
Well, you cannot touch here to cut.
You got a boo-boo?
Yeah.
What happened? Did you get in a fist fight?
No.
Oh.
Well, I was playing with Jasper for long weeks while I was little. Then I was a little bit big. Then I fell on my ankle.
You fell. Oh, no. What do you want to open? This one?
This one.
All right.
Yeah.
This is going to be the graphics card. This is an... Thank you. This is an XFX
I can hold it.
RX 9070 XT. Because that's a very expensive graphics card. The CPU is going to be a Ryzen 7 9800X3D. We got to put the CPU in, Aaron. Daddy's going to stop talking. You're going to stop being a booty butt head.
I'm not a booty butt head man.
You are like the king of booty butt heads. Okay, we're going to drop the 7800X3D in.
Then close it.
Give it a little wiggle, make sure it's in. Okay, this is going to pop out. You ready? Oh. Didn't shoot off like it normally does. It just came out nicely. Let's put the NVMe in. So we have a Western Digital Black SN850X, 2 terabyte, Gen 4.
Did you need this box?
DDR5, 6000 mega transfers, CL30. Yeah, that's rare and expensive now. So John, just know that you got RAM that has now like quadrupled in price. I can't even buy this anywhere. Let's see what we're gonna build it in, Aaron.
Okay.
All right. We have the Lian Li O11D Vision Mini version 2 Flow. This case is gorgeous. I'm actually quite jealous, and I have a Lian Li Landcool 217 that I enjoy. So it's got the little bit angled fans there. So I did pick up the Lian Li fans, and we're gonna swap these out with some RGB because I did another build that was cheaper and he really liked all the RGB on there. So we're gonna give him more quality RGB. So we're gonna do 3 RGB fans down here, 3 on the top for the cooler, and then
Can I open this?
oh, there's only 2 there. I thought there was 3 there. The 2 fans here. So I've got some reverse blades, everything else. So we're going all Lian Li fans. The reason I ordered it with fans instead of getting one without fans or RGB, so it was cheaper to buy the RGB fans, put them in, but it was $6 more expensive to get it with fans than without fans. So we'll just take the fans out.
Hello guys, I'm here back.
John's gonna donate them to me. So it costs $6 to get 5 plain black Lian Li fans.
Guys.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it right in here, okay?
Okay.
You gotta be gentle, all right?
Okay.
Here. There you go. Hey, you're not letting me help you and you're putting it in wrong. There you go. Now push it in just a little bit. Nice job. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Okay. Door. Day. Short.
All right.
Shy. Sing. Brush.
We've got the motherboard built up. Okay, so we're gonna take these fans out, Aaron.
Daddy, my hand is outside here.
Yep, I see.
And I can do one horse. Daddy, look, I did it.
Great job, buddy.
The car went inside.
Yep, nice job. I don't know,
Those
how many do we have? Can you count them for me?
Okay.
Count how many we have, please.
1, 2. Okay, I think they're 1 million or 100.
1 million?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7, Daddy. There's 5.
7 sounds a lot more reasonable than 1 million. All right, we're gonna give Aaron a bath. Then we'll come back and finish up. So we've got our 2 intakes, 3 intakes. So we're gonna have 5 intake, 3, 4 exhaust. So 5 intake, 4 exhaust, give us some positive pressure. All right, we got Aaron in bed. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get the motherboard mounted in there and then start plugging some cables in for it. All right, that looks pretty nice. It's the wireless fan controller. So I can either plug it into USB, like an actual USB slot, or I can plug it into the USB header. I'm gonna plug it into a USB header. I was gonna use cable extensions, and then I wasn't gonna use cable extensions because they look pretty nice, but I'm really not liking that. That doesn't look good. I'm gonna see if I'm more satisfied with some cable extensions. All right, we're about ready to put the GPU in. I've got the PCIe cables lined up. So I ended up making a mistake on the fans. I'm not used to this. That's all right. So these 3 and these 3 are wireless. These 3 are not wireless. So there's 2 ways I could fix that. I can have these 6 together, and then these 3 would either be off because I'd plug them into the motherboard, so they would be a different color, they wouldn't sync up. Not okay. Or I could purchase a hub and plug them in to that, and that would connect to the L-Connect software. However, the hub is $90, and it's $110 for 3 new fans. So I opted to get 3 new fans that were wireless, and they'll be here in a couple days. So I'll just take these 3 fans. I guess I just bought myself 3 new fans. I'll eat the cost. $100, I'll use them somewhere else in another build. Maybe I'll use them in Aaron's build or something, I don't know. But, so when I power on, they're not gonna be synced anyways because we're gonna be in BIOS. By the time I get everything set up, those fans will be in, so I'll just replace this one and this one. All right, there's the front. That looks pretty good. I just gotta get the fans, but here's the back. That looks pretty nice. All right, guys, Future Scott here. So we ran into an issue. I ended up losing a bunch of footage. I guess my battery died. I didn't know it. To be honest, the only reason I'm still putting this video out is because I know John wanted to see the build, and I left more of Aaron in it for that exact same reason. He loves to watch Aaron. Great guy. So I wanted to still get the video out, so I apologize. I'm just kind of putting some cables in there anyways. I'll put a picture up right here where I did 3D print an end cap for the fan to make it look a little nicer. With his son's name on it since it's for him. And then I didn't even take video of the computer when it was done, so he did send me some videos. He was extremely happy with it. I went to his house and helped him set it up, made sure it was all good to go. So I apologize, guys. I really appreciate you watching anyways. Thank you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. I have some great videos coming out.